Okay, one nice feature the Chevy Bolt has, so like the other EVs, like Tesla's one pedal driving, when you let go of the accelerator, the car will automatically like brake for you using the regenerative braking. But it also has this little pull tab here. So if for some reason maybe you didn't slow down or you didn't let go of the pedal soon enough, you can pull this and it will, I think it's like max regen that it does. I don't know if it's really the max, but it adds a lot, it applies more regen braking, so that way you can slow down faster. And then if that's not even enough, then you would use the brake pedal. But this would allow you to recapture more of the slowing or stopping power. So if I were going and then I let go and then I pull this, it'll pull more regen braking. And I think what they did is when you let go of the pedal, it's doing it for kind of like comfort level of braking. And then this is like, even though it's going to be not as nice of a stopping feeling, it will slow it down much quicker. So I'll kind of show that once I get to a spot where I can go, but we're in traffic now. So yeah, I'll demonstrate that in a bit. I don't know if you'll be able to really tell. I'll just point it at the kind of speedometer, and then I'll let you know when I let go of my foot, and then I'll pull this, and you should be able to see how much quicker the miles per hour slows down. Okay, so that's one kind of nice, cool feature that this thing has. But yeah, I mean, in all the other vehicles, once you get to the regen braking, usually you don't need anything like that. I don't know for the Tesla, I don't think it applies the full regen braking when you let go completely, because sometimes I feel when I let the car drive itself, it has more access to regen braking. So I don't know if Tesla also made it to where when you push the brake pedal, if you push it lightly, maybe it also does a little more regen. I don't know. But definitely at times in my Tesla, I can feel like when the regen braking is like pulling harder than others, and it's not always that they have a little battery thing that shows like if it's cold or if it's too full, then it can't do as much regen braking. But yeah, in the Chevy Bolt, they have this little thing here. But I think Tesla also optimizes it a lot to help with the battery longevity. So maybe that's why they don't have stuff like this. But it is a pretty cool feature to help pull the extra power into the battery. So let me see if I can do it now. You can see we're going, I'm letting go, and then if I pull this, it does like a much harder slowing down. The person behind me was probably like, what the heck? But yeah, so it does have this where you can slow it down quite a bit more. If I get to a place with no traffic, then I'll kind of do that again to show you at a higher speed. But I have to make sure nobody's behind me. All right, I'll see you guys if that happens. Probably I'll wait till I get to the exit. All right, so here you go. We're gonna slow down. Okay, so right now I'm letting off the pedal, and now I'm gonna pull the thing. Yeah, it does quite a bit more braking. I think the person behind me would probably be like, why are you hitting the brakes so early? But yeah, it does apply quite a bit more regen braking. All right, that's it. See you guys later. Bye.